Greetings everyone. Greetings. Ke tlo hloka mthotlo nshuta go mmona. Vesta we no tsama jang. Iba we no shoota go TikTok live. A ke foto ke di sera ga.
Ke shootiwang ke tlo tana camera.
Dumelang. Ke ra go no shoota go kam. Let me restart the live here on TikTok. So I'm gonna be trading live NFP in the next 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Watch me as I make 1M from 10th hour. That's what I'm still going live there by TikTok. Our gonna go to shoot Ricky caption. Who's trading NFP? Wangola guy caption. Yeah, Maroon. Okay. Trading NFP live. NFP live. Hey, we're gonna make 1 million in the next 5 minutes. Langwage. And then Sancho Babuja WhatsApp channel. Winner today. Also check WhatsApp again.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna make 1 million. 1 million. That's all. So I'm gonna be trading with my phone here. 10,000 to 1 million. Wanna go to Tomo shoot iska farm toko ye. Kiana to shoot our car profit. I will look well at Kwana as long as it gets locked. Vinny, when I'll access to WhatsApp channel, ne? Okay. Yeah, so in the next, you see, I'm ready. Rebeta ga KGP market agar laibon. Ashi 10th hour laibon again. Whether we are buying or selling, I don't know. Only God knows. I'm gonna switch the camera shortly. Just wanna send a message in the channel. I'm live right now on Facebook and TikTok trading. Lanchara. No, so. Yeah. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Who says it 3 minutes left? Yeah. So, who says it 3 minutes left? Who said 3 minutes left? Because who let's pay at the same time. I'm live on Facebook. On the left, I'm live on TikTok. So if you wanna watch the live, because TikTok doesn't save, you'll go watch it on my Facebook. KGP. Now let me switch the camera. Hey man, man. Some phone man. Come on, man. Man. Some phone man. Why are you calling me at the wrong time? Wrong time. So guys, personally, I'm selling gold. Personally, I don't know about you guys. Personally, I'm selling gold. So I just want to switch my screen. We're left with, how do I flip the camera here? I'm switching on TikTok and Facebook. Like one? I'm in Vesta. Come, tlamo ka pele unyaka na leng ke nya go tlo shootela ba TikTok, yeah.
Oh,
yeah. So guys, labona again. We're going in now. 10,000 ranta. Labon KGP market. Credit is 10,000. Rebeta dilo tsa rena. Rebeta ka sela ngirlantsha. Re sala gold. Re test. Yeah, but it should get like 3 ranta. I get a hole, no, get a 3 ranta. 1 minute left, guys. phone ga re thiba du Jackson di mata cameraman e gane magajwa ke tla ga 200 loss wa monga sa mo ke chalete mo R1 ga posho 30 seconds no la tsewa ke tomaga jwang mana ga tsewa ke tele keng ke lot size calculation because I thought this was 0.10 and my free margin is still 15,000 shit but it's fine la tsewa keng R1 12 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 Kwaya mau marred kwa msha weni ke afeta mo unati ku na mahlatsi ke live marred he blowing he blowing ha yeah I be blowy gold area mbara kwana go ya sela ke ba amaranto ma rai sharp mar e ba okay le na ba le serang mputse ngor le serang le ba le serang eban ba rile Iran bomba America or America bomba Iran gold ya fasmos ena ke tele ke mfano mo wa stata mo TikTok mfano na marta mara ntelo ba ebelele be makasense ngwana ka gore gold yo sela ka go ra ena tsabe ke feel or yo buy ne mara mfanele ba itega the point because there's a war going on between Iran and America no go blowy marrete chata ka speech 10,000 ka muka oh I want ya de ato thata ke ngwana ko botsa batho maka 1 million a fitla mo bole se batho ba ke ngwana ga ne bon go chela not 10 go fanda ka 20,000 ne ke tlotsa na opening ya Nasdaq ya 4 lot size 0.40 onko ke 2 minutes ke inch go ba ka 60,000 or 80 or 100 my 10,000 is back. That's all again, guys. Yeah, no, we lost this round. Gold is buying, but even the buy is not that strong. It's about 40 points now. 50.83 to 5.120. It's about 40 points now. So gold is buying. So that means that NFP is selling. I mean USDJPY is selling. Yeah. I know we tried, guys. I'm going to fund with 20,000, and then I'm gonna go half past 4. I'm gonna trade again at 4:30 US 30. I'm gonna go for US 30 at 4:30. 20,000 deposit. I'm going to make 60 to 80,000 there. You see that the opening doesn't miss. It's just that. So let me tell you guys the trick with the opening for US 30 and Nasdaq. As soon as you're on profit, best method is to just go out. When you're on profit there, best method just go out. Guys, it's buying this thing. This thing is buying. You see, my account is back at 0. Obviously, there is negative balance protection. Oh, can I'm live on both phones, so I need to show both Instagram and TikTok. I mean Facebook and TikTok. So la one TikTok is blurry. How's phone? Even phone ke amanga re blurry phone. Eh? Kamanga mpela phone tja cheap ga tsana ga tsulu jwang le. Ai. Ape ke ali me phone ya batho re khono ya live. Ape ke trader ka ye ke ba mpel phone tja cheap. Ke aga phone ya cheap ne. That's another truth. Una nka go wina jwang ke trader ka phone ya ntja cheap. Wa o mpa phone ya cheap man. Anjalo ka mo wa ka bonalo ka re aktsoro ka re ke nang mo living ya mo TikTok. Facebook o sharp wa ibona. Ai. Ape no go flow kwatala le batho ba wrong. Let's begin. 10,000 is small waters guys. Lantsa. So takalo boteng a secret guys. Those who are laughing. Every time when I lose money, when I'm trading, I just go outside. Ne? Then when I go outside, I look at all the houses here. I look at all the houses here. And then I remember that at the end of the day, as much as I've lost, as much as I've lost, ne? As much as I've lost, at least I can have Ferrari. So before you laugh at me, you must remember at least you can have Ferrari. So ke loser can have Ferrari. We know na leona na. We know nsera go na leona na. A ona ya ke khumlela. As Ferrari fer ke na le brabas gat. As yona fer. Ona leona we know na leona we know nsera. Ai. And at least can lose. At least can lentoi. Can lento decoration. Ona leona we nintoi. Ga ge no na lentoi. Ona leona ntoi ya decoration. At least can lose it can all the tile. Ona the tile win. Una the tile win. And also naga paguluziji kana le mtshini wa metsi o ngata le komiki ka tla ka tshela metsi kana so le na ba go ntshega le hlokomeleng gore ga botsele ntshega jwa le sega nga botse ke sirikisha ke ba go sega ba ke re ke trade live ke le inspire ka loser la ntshega le sega 4:30 ke a boela and 4:30 I'm not going live because ke bona every time I get ka live or ke dia challenge ya nje dutse no gar di berka satan abot ki di lemugi no abtu ntwe forex ya ne we bon forex ya ne ke balle ngari e berka satan 4:30 go trade US state go dia child ngasal botselo lena ke le bone lena le na jealous ai mara to ai ke o manya batho ba khoza ba ndira se okay guys I'm sorry honestly I'm frustrated. I really had hope. Yazi, I was planning that first entries because there can be a spike, ne? First entries ke tsena, eba maybe a profit of 30-40 tau. Then from there get lot size 5 on gold. Then from there it puru 250. And from 250 get lot size 25. Then puru 1 million. I close. That was the plan. Or the opposite. Bonang ne, bye bye. Up to the little out of hoopsha gale na gabut. Sharp arc funding it's an to 4:30. Otherwise, don't forget KGP markets go open an account now. Giveaways are coming. Begi tester system ya di e-wallet le ngengi. It works like crazy time where you spin a wheel and then if it lands on e-wallet you get e-wallet, if it lands on Ying you get whatever that it lands on. So we are going to launch the new website next week. It's free 100%. So I'm going to be giving you guys money via the WhatsApp channel as well as the new website that's coming. Well, Angusha, there's new system actually, let me not say website. Langusha. So that's my way of giving back to the community. That's my way of giving back to the hustlers. And then, before I leave you guys, how did it go for you guys on NFP? Did anyone trade? Did you make money? Because the buy was beautiful. I mean, if you bought, you've made money. So like what they say, guys, you win some, you lose some. Otherwise, go open an account with kgpmarkets.com right now. Get it verified, fund with a minimum of 50 Rands. Because when I launched the new product, it's sponsored by KGP. KGP gave me 100,000 to give it to you guys. I did say in the WhatsApp channel that I'm left with 81,000. And today I gave away 3,000 again. I was supposed to give 2,000 yesterday, but I couldn't because I was shooting. So I gave away 3,000 today. My team will just go through our WhatsApp to look for proof from the win. As soon as that they clean the WhatsApp, we'll send the proof in the WhatsApp channel. Otherwise, girl, Frostana, 4:30, I'm gonna go back to recover my money. Living sharp again. Yeah, let's go give up, guys. Don't give up. No matter what happens. Guys, this is the future. I'm telling you guys, this is the future. People are losing jobs left, right, center. We only have English now is starting to be a problem. We have two hopes, yes. Hope number one is Forex. Number one, because you can do it at the comfort of your home. You don't need to beg anyone for anything. Number one is Forex. Number two is gambling, unfortunately. You know, I gamble, no. Mara. Kya khono tsoka bo 200,000. So I inja bo 20 mara. I go pop 200,000. So unfortunately, guys, this thing of looking for a job, what is outdated. The world has changed. No, no, guys. So, no, you don't even need me to teach you anything. Tamaya chat DBT, Tamaya YouTube, and learn this thing on your own. You don't need to do it where I do it. But trust me, this thing of you guys flooding our DMs asking for money, it's impossible to help everyone. It's very, very impossible. You guys are a lot. So I'm giving you guys an opportunity. They say that do not teach a man how to fish. Fish a man. Bonang sharp guys. Bye-bye. Mfano ko mutia le mo. Ayole ko mutia already. I'm going to give him live. We emsha we mar.
Donkey so.